Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how you can check if a channel is monetized or not. First, open the channel in which you are interested to check monetization status. Click on this channel icon on top right. Click on YouTube Studio. Here on the left navigation panel, you will see Earn button. Click on this Earn, and here you can see your monetization status. So here, as you can see, the eligibility criteria is not yet met. As you can see, I have to upload 3 videos and at least have 500 subscribers to meet this criteria, and we can apply after we have met this criteria and one of these two criteria, that is 3,000 public watch hours in the last 365 days and or 3 million short views in the last 90 days. So once these criteria are met, you can earn using these two things, supers or shopping. But if you want to earn through ads, you'll have to meet these criteria, that is have over 1,000 subscribers and have at least 4,000 watch hours in the last 365 days or 10 million views of shorts in the last 90 days. So one of these two is met and this is met, you can earn using more methods like ads and so on. So once this is also met, you'll get an apply now button like this, and YouTube will review your channel monetization status. Once you are monetized, you will see a page like this that says you are a partner and you are getting paid and your channel is now monetized. You can earn using these methods. So this is how you can check monetization status. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.